decapitate, decapitate, decapitate.
It is a verb which refers to the act of cutting off someone's head, typically as a form of execution or violence. 1. The king's enemies plotted to decapitate him in order to take over the throne. 2. The executioner was ordered to decapitate the prisoner as part of the punishment.
Decelerate, decelerate, decelerate.
It is a verb which refers to the act of reducing speed or slowing down the rate of movement or progress. 1. The driver had to decelerate quickly to avoid colliding with the car ahead. 2. As the plane began its descent, the pilot instructed the crew to decelerate in preparation for landing.
Decimate, decimate, decimate.
It is a verb which refers to the act of destroying, killing, or severely damaging a large portion of something, often a group or population, usually in a way that leaves only a small part remaining. 1. The plague decimated the city's population, leaving only a few survivors. 2. The wildfire decimated the forest, destroying thousands of acres of trees and wildlife.
Decipher, decipher, decipher.
It is a verb which refers to the act of converting something written in code, symbols, or unclear language into a clear, understandable form. It can also mean to interpret or solve something difficult to understand. 1. The detective worked hard to decipher the mysterious message left by the criminal. 2. After hours of trying to decipher the ancient text, the historian finally cracked the code.
Decomposition, decomposition, decomposition.
It is a noun which refers to the process of breaking down or decaying, especially the natural process by which organic substances are broken down into simpler forms, often by bacteria, fungi, or other decomposers. 1. The decomposition of plant matter in the soil helps to enrich it with nutrients. 2. The body showed signs of decomposition, making it clear that it had been there for several days.
Decorous, decorous, decorous.
It is an adjective which refers to behavior that is polite, proper, and in good taste, showing respect for social norms and etiquette. 1. The guests at the formal dinner maintained decorous conversation throughout the evening. 2. Her decorous behavior at the ceremony impressed everyone in attendance.
Decoy, decoy, decoy.
It is a noun which refers to a person or thing used to mislead or lure someone or something into a trap or a particular direction. As a verb, it means to lure or trick someone into a particular place or action. 1. The hunters used a fake bird as a decoy to attract the real ones. 2. The spy was sent to decoy the enemy into a false sense of security.
Decrepit, decrepit, decrepit.
It is an adjective which refers to something or someone in a state of disrepair or ruin due to age, neglect, or wear. It often describes something that is weak, frail, or falling apart. 1. The old decrepit house was falling apart, with its roof caving in and windows broken. 2. The decrepit car barely started and the engine made strange noises whenever it ran.
Decry, decry, decry.
It is a verb which refers to the act of publicly criticizing or condemning something as being wrong or harmful. 1. The mayor was quick to decry the recent acts of vandalism in the city. 2. Many environmental groups have decried the destruction of the forest for commercial development.
Deducible, deducible, deducible.
It is an adjective which refers to something that can be inferred or concluded from available evidence or reasoning. 1. From the clues at the crime scene, it was deducible that the suspect had fled the country. 2. The solution to the puzzle was deducible once we understood the pattern.